Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about crypto.com versus the BNB token, which is one way that I arrive at some very, very bold predictions that I have for CRO above $1, even up to potentially a $4 CRO token. But today I'm going to give you guys an update on Binance and why things aren't looking so great for Binance right now by looking at some of the comments from the past CEO, CZ, and what's going on right now. Just a heads up, I'll tell you guys right out of the gate, CZ is not allowed outside of the US, which is contrary to what he came out in the public and said, and he was dispelling this misinformation with four. Did he lose all his trust? Is the Binance token doomed, and is CRO the next BNB token for this bull run? Let's get into it in this video, guys. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's talk about some of the favorite projects out there that we're looking at and some of the ones that might be on the fence right now. CRO Coin has been doing very well and has recently been breaking up out of this 8.7 cent to 10 cent range, and I was looking for a move to 12 cents yesterday. We pulled back a little bit today, but we are taking another chance at going up to break above 12 cents, which is arguably the bear market threshold for CRO. When the FTX exchange collapsed, Crypto.com's CRO Coin also collapsed alongside with it, as did most of the crypto industry. Now today, what is crazy to me, and I did a video on this earlier today, you should check it out, the FTX token is the second most trending token in crypto with the second largest gains on the last 24 hours, up 18%. Now this may have some gains, but it, like I said in the video, isn't going to be a coin that I'm going to be buying in this bull market for sure. Check out that other video to see why. But today, crypto is doing well, and I'm going to get into here Binance in a second. But Bitcoin at 43,800, Ethereum at 2,300. Crypto's doing well, and the BNB token is pretty steady Eddie at about a $36 billion market cap, which to me is kind of miraculous and really a lot bigger than the CRO token, which the CRO token and the BNB token are very similar for a couple reasons. One, they're both major crypto exchanges that have their own tokens. Two, they both have their own smart chains. The only other chain out there that is launched by an exchange is OKX, and arguably OKX has a lot less features than crypto.com, but OKX might also be a great token as well. But I'm going to talk about CRO versus Binance in this video. And CRO is roughly, really a lot smaller. I think about like 20x smaller. We'll look at that in a second. But let's talk about what's going on with the founder of CZ today and why I wanted to create this video. He is, according to the media and a judge, a U.S. federal judge, he is too rich to leave the U.S. Now, for those of you that don't know, CZ had to pay $50 million to the DOJ as a settlement for violating international sanctions when he was the CEO of Binance, and a variety of other charges that they dispelled by this payoff. And also the Binance exchange had to pay $4 billion. Well, now he cannot leave the U.S. Now, why is this a controversy, and why did I want to do a video about it? Well, throughout this bear market and before it really started, CZ, the previous CEO, put out a tweet, and he said, ignore FUD, fake news, and attacks. And on our channel, we talk about FUD a lot because FUD is a real thing. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt, fake news, attacks. It's really actually a very clever thing and a really real thing that happens in crypto. But then you also see stories come out like this by Watcher Guru, a very, very famous Twitter account out there. And it says, judge denies ex-Binance CEO from leaving the U.S. before sentencing. And he said number 4 back in November as if this was not true, okay? And some other people fact-checked Watcher Guru as well here. Well, fast forward to today, it is very much true, and that is the fact. Now, it wasn't at the time, and so maybe it was FUD at that point, but he was not trying to get any negative image of him out into the public clearly. And was this a lie? Was this just timing of it? It could have been just timing, guys. But right now, the Binance exchange is still basically getting monitored by the Department of Justice. There's a news story that came out today saying that the Department of Justice is going to basically babysit Binance on the international storefront, which might really cause some issues for Binance in terms of collecting new market cap and exciting new investors to go to that exchange. Now, again, this is a $36 billion market cap. This token held up very strong in the bear market and is arguably holding up pretty strong right now. I wouldn't be surprised to see a downward trend on this token, but more likely, I am expecting some upward potential for this coin just because it is still the 4th largest coin in all of crypto. and the Binance exchange is going to continue to operate. But the reason I want to make this video with you guys is because you have to understand how much smaller CRO is than Binance's exchange. It is over 10x smaller, a $2.5 billion market cap for CRONOS coin versus Binance's $36 billion market cap. And then I also like to look at the fact that Binance Smart Chain is the number 3 ranked chain. Now, I'm going to use Solana as an example here. Solana used to be not even in the top 10. It blew past CRONOS, and then it blew past Avalanche, Optimism, Polygons, and it is trying to make its way past Arbitrum here. It got a long way to go past Arbitrum. Cardano recently came up into the top 10. These chains can move around. Now, what are these? These are these smart chains on these different protocols, Ethereum, Tron. Ethereum was one of the first. These are all smart chains where people can build decentralized applications. Binance has the 3rd largest. CRONOS has the 10th largest. I think in this bull market, there's going to be a lot of competitors, like Solana as an example, and like CRONOS and Cardano, that are going to be catching up to Binance. And frankly, I don't know how many investors are going to be interested in going into Binance in this future bull market. Now, if CRO Coin flips the current market cap of Binance, which I think is very simple to expect in this bull market, just because CRONOS chain came out in 2021, right at the end of the bear market. The Binance chain was pretty new in the last bull market, got a lot of volume. There's no reason CRONOS shouldn't get at least, I'd say, the bear market cap for the Binance token. I think that's the base case. But if CRO can actually achieve the previous Binance all-time high, we could even see a $4.19 CRO token if it achieves the previous market cap high for the Binance token, which at this rate might be possible. One, because the Binance exchange might not be getting that volume back, and so it might be going to some of the other competitors. Two, there's a spot Bitcoin ETF and potentially a spot Ethereum ETF being launched, and potentially a spot Solana ETF as well, which that's not for sure yet. That's the rumor on the street. But what I'm saying is there's new money coming in. There's a real strong attraction for new money to come into this space. A lot of IDOs are doing very, very well right now. And in my mind, looking at where the CRO Coin price is at today, I think we continue a breakout above 12 cents very, very soon, to be honest with you guys. If you look out in the monthly candles, the previous all-time high for this was $1. Most good tokens break their previous all-time highs. So in my mind, the dollar threshold is a piece of cake. The real question I have is this going to happen? Can we see CRO Coin flip the market cap high for Binance from the previous bull cycle? And to be honest with you guys, I think it is possible. Now, maybe CRO doesn't flip the Binance market cap like at current time of the Binance market cap when CRO is at its highs. We'll have to see if it actually flip it in rank. But I do think that there's a potential for it to achieve the same amount of investment from crypto spectators out there that Binance did in the last bull market, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.